There are various methods of creating screeds. We can create such type of screeds by using dot and screed. Another way of creating screed is by using wooden plates. So there is a video to demonstrate how to prepare the screed by using wooden plates. This is a wall to be plastered, and we can prepare the wooden plate and we can apply the plate on the wall by using mortar, and then it can be acted as a screed. This is a wooden plate and this is mortar. This mortar is used as a binding agent between the plate and the wall. So this is the wood. The edge of the wood should be straight. We can make it straight by using different cutting tools. Now it is straight, and we can apply the mortar on the bottom of the plate. The mortar is used as a binding agent between the wall and the screed. So we can fix this plate on the wall properly. It is checking the levelness and plumpness of the plate because it is used as a guideline or a reference line for the rest of plastering work. Fix properly. No air void should be created inside the mortar. It should be solid and rigid. So check and check again, because it will be a guideline for the rest of plastering work, and a number of screeds can be prepared by using the same method. Check the alignment of 2 or 3 screeds and check the verticality and the plumpness of the screed. So now it is ready. Apply water to moisturize the surface. This moisture is used to make good bond between the surface and the mortar, and also it is used to reduce absorption of water from the mortar by building blocks. Now it is ready. We can apply the plaster mortar on the surface now. The mortar can be mixed by using different mechanical tools, or we can mix it manually. It depends upon the volume of plaster needed, and it depends upon the required quality of mortar. This is the prepared mortar for plastering. The consistency of the mortar should be correct. The consistency will be controlled by controlling the amount of mixing water. And then we can apply the mortar on the wall. We have to start on the top of the wall and apply the mortar simply between the screeds. Now plastering procedure is finished and we can start leveling. We can use such type of straight edge with handle or with no handle. No matter which tool is used, the only thing that we have to do is remove the excess mortar properly between the screeds. Now it is removing the excess mortar between the screeds. It should be done end to end between the screeds. It is the excess mortar. It should be clean from the straight edge. Remove again the remaining excess mortar. When finishing, the excess mortar is decreased. Here, see these sections need to be filled. See these sections. Take the mortar and apply the mortar on these sections. And after finishing the filling process, remove the excess mortar again. Now it is finished. The plastering process is finished, and now we have two options. We can remove the screed and fill the gap between. We can remove the screed and fill the gap by using the same mortar, or we can leave it as it is if the material is suitable for plastering. As we know, the construction industry should be supported by different modern technologies. One of the construction tasks is plastering work on the wall, ceiling, or different surfaces. This plastering work should be modernized in order to reduce the cost and for speed construction and to achieve the good quality of plastering. So one of the methods used to apply this modern technology is mechanical plastering. We will see next mechanical plastering. Okay, welcome back. This is mechanized plastering. Mechanized plastering is a process of applying mortar on the wall or ceiling by using automated machines or equipment. Unlike traditional manual plastering, which relies on human labor, mechanized plastering simplifies the task of plastering and ensures the quality of work. Here, there is a video to demonstrate how to simplify the plastering work by using plastering robots. It is the base of the machine. The machine should be sit on the ground properly. The level of the machine should be perfect. The leveling instrument is fixed on the machine. After that, checking the levelness of the machine. There is a spring on the machine to adjust the level. So check the levelness. Now it is correct. After checking the correctness or the levelness of the equipment, we can remove the leveling instrument from the machine. The advantage of this robot is speed of construction. Now we can apply the mortar on the wall simply. Here, no need of creating dots, screeds, and different reference lines. We can adjust these requirements simply on the machine. The waste material should be removed. And then the machine will be fixed on the base. Adjusting the required thickness of plaster and the level on the machine. After that, we can start the leveling task. Now the machine is going to make the surface level. As you know, leveling the surface is tiresome task in the manual plastering work. So here the machine can perform this work easily. The other advantage of the machine is quality result, speed of construction, reduce the cost of the plaster. So we can perform this task by using different mechanical equipment. This is one of the equipment used to simplify our task. And here you can check after finishing. Plastering robot is a technology that is, due to automation of manual process, allows to achieve high quality and low cost of production. This technology improves the quality and consistency of the work. And it also contributes overall durability and aesthetic of the building. Building construction is time-consuming sector because lots of work are labor-based and there is a shortage of skilled labor on the market. Increase in labor cost and technological advancements are forcing to rapid change in building construction. That's why we need to use the mechanized plastering technology. There are various types of mechanical plastering robots. Here we will see some of them. This is mobile plastering robot. It has various advantages. That means it solves several problems. The first advantage is reduces the time of construction. That means 400 up to 500 meters square will covered by 8 hours by using this machine. The next one is efficient surface finish with little effort and reduces material wastage. In the case of traditional plastering, as we know, too much raw material is wasted. But here the machine comes and solves this problem because it has a shade to prevent the material go out. And wastage of material means reducing the cost of raw materials. The other one is it needs maximum of 2 workers for operation and adjusting of the machine. So in the case of traditional manual plastering, a large number of human labor is needed. So reducing the human labor means in turn reducing the cost of labor. The other one is less time and cost also reduced. Speed of construction means reduction of the construction cost. And it solves a scaffolding problem. As we have seen here, this man is working on the scaffolding. There is a risk of falling down from the scaffolding, and this machine solves this problem. As you know, scaffolding is a very dangerous mechanism to perform works at high-rise buildings. So the machine will solve this problem because this machine can go up at high-rise buildings and perform different tasks on high-rise buildings. So the falling hazard on the scaffolding will be reduced here. This also is a picture to show you how the scaffolding risk looks like. This is a video to show you how is the extent of accidents working on unsafe scaffolding. The worker is working on the top of 2-story buildings. He is standing on the top of the ladder. After some time, the ladder is overturning. It is tragic accident. It is a serious and dangerous violation of safety rules. This type of accident might happen within split of seconds, but it doesn't mean that we cannot prevent such type of damages. We can prevent such type of hazards by using different safety equipments and by using, for example, in this case, safety guards can be used for this worker. Here, there is a guardrail on the top, on the middle, and on the bottom of scaffold. Now the worker is safe, so we can prevent or we can reduce the damage. But by using this mechanical plastering robots, there is no need to construct such type of scaffolding or such type of guardrails. So the advantage of mechanical plastering is to reduce the cost of this scaffolding. Now chapter 2 is finished. Next time we will see the other chapter, which is talking about painting. Thank you for watching.